The RedMagic 10 series will arrive on November 13th in China. The series include the RedMagic 10 Pro, RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, and RedMagic 10 Ultra. Now the brand shared the official images of the RedMagic 10 Pro series to showcase its design and color options. The upcoming lineup continues to sport a flat design without any camera protrusion on the back. The RedMagic 10 Pro series will be available in such as Dark Knight, Day Warrior, Deuterium Transparent Dark Knight, and Deuterium Transparent Silver Wing. The RedMagic 10 Pro series has a completely flush camera module on the glass back. The RedMagic 10 Pro series maintains its triple camera setup, positioning the RGB LED ring below the two large cameras. The right edge of the RedMagic 10 Pro series features gaming trigger buttons, a fan vent, a volume rocker, a power button, and a mode slider switch. The left side of the phone features another fan vent. The transparent variants have some transparent elements on the back, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite logo, bringing a couple of performance-focused smartphones. The Nubia RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, which just smashed the Antutu benchmarking record with a result of over 3 million. The device, model number NX789J, will have 24GB RAM and 1TB storage and will run Android 15, powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The gaming brand will launch the RedMagic 10 Pro series with a new OLED panel by BOE with the narrowest bezels we have seen in the series. The panel will also have a higher resolution, up to 144Hz refresh rate with 1.5K resolution and 2000 nits peak brightness. The battery is also getting a capacity boost, now offering 7050 mAh to ensure long gaming sessions. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.